Hi everyone, I just wanted to come on for a few minutes and wish all my YouTube family and friends a very Merry Christmas. It's been a tough year and a half for me. Most of you that follow me know that I lost my husband about a year and a half ago. And he was my other half, he was my sidekick. So it's been really difficult celebrating these holidays without him. The empty chair, and we used to hang up stockings for each other. So it's been tough. But I'm very grateful that I have my family around me to support me, my son, my daughter, my son-in-law, my 4 grandsons. That's been a blessing. I don't know what I would have done without them. So I put up my Grinch tree and I put on a happy face and I do what I can do, but deep down, honestly, it's bittersweet. It's tough. I really miss them. But anyway, the other thing, besides wishing all of you a very Merry Christmas, I wanted to also let you know that I am also now on TikTok. And I'm having a lot of fun on there. I really am. So if you're on TikTok or you want to go over and take a look, I'm under my name, Dolores Nagel. I think it has a 0 next to it. I'm not sure, but you'll find me. And the clips over there on TikTok are short. They're not long like I make them on YouTube. So if you're on there, head on over and take a look at my channel over there. I'm having a lot of fun. Actually, my daughter and son-in-law are on there doing some fun things, and they got me involved. And I think I'm up to already over 7,000. They call them members over there. They don't call them subscribers. But I'm having fun. And I have my little TikTok shop where I'm now eligible to sell items in the TikTok shop, but I only sell what I like and what I use. So anyway, I just wanted you to know, I haven't been doing a lot of baking on YouTube because, to be honest with you, I have over 10,000 subscribers and I'm only getting hundreds of views, which is kind of pitiful. The views are really down, and I put so much work into it and so much effort, and it's nice to have all those subscribers, but if you don't have the views, honestly, that's what really matters. So I'm kind of taking just a tiny break from YouTube. I'm not going away, but with the holidays and all, I'm just taking a little break, and I have been concentrating a little bit more on getting my TikTok page up and going. So anyway, once again, I'm thankful for each and every one of you. I really am. I've been on YouTube for, they tell me, almost 9 years. I can't believe it. And I've enjoyed every minute of it. I've met so many good friends. People say, well, how can you be friends with somebody you never met in person? Well, it's easy. I've made a lot of nice friends on YouTube, and I'm making some new ones on TikTok too. So I enjoy it. And my husband, in the beginning, for many years, everybody that followed me knew he was my cameraman, and we used to banter back and forth, and we had a lot of fun together. He helped me a lot. So now I'm doing it on my own, and when I have problems, my son is an expert on these things. So I'm like, Scott, I need help. He's probably ready to shoot me by now. But there is a lot to learn on TikTok. A lot of rules and a lot to learn. So I'm doing good. I have my notebook and I take notes. But anyway, I'm so thankful for each and every one of you, for the friends I've made, and just everything. And I certainly didn't do it for the money, because if that was the case, no, I would have left YouTube a long time ago. I barely make pocket change on there, but I was doing it for the fun. So anyway, to all of you, I love you all. Appreciate each and every one of you. And I'm not going away. I'm just taking a little break, and I'll be back. But go find me on TikTok, okay? Love you all. See you soon. Toodles!